Hello students and viewers. Welcome back to my channel AV's Samarpan, a journey of life science. Myself Vikash Kumar. In this video, we shall discuss about a new chapter, crop production and management of class 8. So, let's come to start the topic. The first topic of this chapter is cultivation of food. Cultivation of food. Now, the starting of cultivation of food was from the earlier time, because early man primarily flesh eater. Primarily early man was flesh eater. Flesh eater. They move from one place to another place to fulfill their requirements of food. Not only the flesh, they depend on the fruits and seeds present naturally in that time. They collect the foods, they collect the flesh of other animals and use that for himself and for their family. So now, after that, because they move from one place to other place time to time, and if the population settle at a place, after some time the amount of food is start to finish. So that time the early man was food gatherer. They don't know how to cultivate, but at time when the food or the atmospheric condition become unfavorable and the food got finished, they had to survive with stale food or without food with their family. So that time he decided to cultivate the food, and he started to do like that. Then after the starting of cultivation, that means farming is started. So cultivation of the plant is called farming. That condition forced the early man to start the cultivation of crop, and also they used the rearing of the animals that used by him in the field of agriculture. So that time it was started, and cultivation, that means agriculture, is started that time. That was the beginning of agriculture. Now, so these conditions, that time early man didn't know how to cultivate the food, but after practicing they knew the different techniques for cultivating and growing the more and more crop, and the era of agriculture started. Now come to the next point, that is agriculture. Agriculture word comes from Latin word agar, means fields, and the other word cultra means cultivation. So that it is very clear कि cultivation of field is known as agriculture, but the meaning is not complete clear. Cultivation of field or land for growing the crop is called agriculture. This was the definition of agriculture on the basis of that. But now the agriculture used the term for the rearing and breeding of that animals which are utilized in the field of agriculture. So that the new definition of agriculture is in the way the branch of science or the branch of biology that deals the cultivation of field for growing the crops and rearing, breeding and the management of the animals is known as agriculture. This is the branch, and this is very important because we know our population is increasing day by day and the land area is fixed, completely fixed. Our population is growing in geometrical ratio, but the land area for the cultivation of food is completely fixed. So that the new techniques, new methods are very important to apply in the field to grow more and more crop. So after that we shall know ki what we get from the plants. So we have discussed about it in previous class, food from plants. We get food from plants like cereals, pulses, oil seeds, then fruits and vegetables, and these are the sources of different components. For example, cereals are the good source of carbohydrate, pulses are the good source of protein, oil seeds are the good source of fat, fruits and vegetables are the good source of vitamins and minerals. So now, this time, different types of crops are present. So first, it is important to know what is the meaning of a crop, so that we shall discuss what are the types of crops. So, crop. Cultivation of land for growing same type of plant in large area in large amount is known as crop. If we grow or cultivate wheat in a large area, then we can say it is a crop. If we grow paddy in a large amount, it is known as crop. So there are different types of crop are present in the field of agriculture or in the area of agriculture. So the first one, as we have discussed, is cereals we get from the plants. So cereals crops like that of wheat, like that of paddy, like that of maize. These are the cereals crop. The next one is pulses, like that of gram, like that of moong. Okay. Then oilseeds, like that of mustard, like that of then groundnut, sunflower, and other one is fruits and vegetables. Fruits and vegetables. It is under a special cropping that is known as horticulture. Horticulture, the branch of agriculture in which we grow fruits and vegetables in our garden or in some area known as horticulture. Like that, so different types of fruits and vegetables we grow it time to time. So in India, the condition of the weather is different, and also the pattern of soil is different. So it is not possible to grow the same kind of crop in the land throughout the country, and it is also not possible to grow the same kind of crop on same land. So in India, this is divided in two types on the basis of season. Crops are divided in two types. So let's come to know about the two types of crops. Types of crops. Types of crops. Now, the first one is Kharif crop. Kharif crop. This crop is grown during the summer season or rainy season, so it is also called summer crop or rainy crop. This crops is shown during June, July. And harvested in September, October. It is possible to harvest during the early October. So the timing is for summer, and so on the basis of it, it is known as summer crop. So we can define it, the crop which is grown in summer season and it is shown in June, July and harvested in September and October is known as Kharif crop. The examples of Kharif crop are paddy, then after groundnut, then after maize. These are the examples of Kharif crop. So the next one is Rabi crop. So come for that. The second crop is Rabi crop. Rabi crops. these crops are sown or grown during the winter season, so it is also called winter crop. It is also called winter crops. Now, winter crops, and also we can define it the crops which are sown during the October-November and harvested in March-April is called Rabi crop. So that this time these type of plants need low temperature and that provide better condition, favorable condition for the growth of that type of plants. Examples of these plants or these crops are very simple: wheat, potato, a lot of vegetables which we get during the winter season, also mustard. So these are the types of crops. The next topics we shall discuss in next videos. So I hope you got the knowledge from this video. We shall meet in next videos with next topics. If you are new on this channel, please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Also, please share and like. Keep watching. Thank you.